Hi, it's Angie with News OK. Over 100 scientists and meteorologists are traveling around the area, especially Oklahoma, focusing on how and why tornadoes form with an experiment called VORTEX2. Oklahoman photographer Steve Sisney has been traveling with the group. Steve, now tell us what's been going on so far. You've been with them for 2 or 3 days now?
This is day 4.
Day 4.
We started out Sunday from the Severe Storms Lab in Norman to Clinton, Oklahoma for staging on Monday. And then from there we went to Childress, Texas, and some areas in that vicinity. We saw a couple of pretty good thunderstorms form, but they didn't develop any tornadoes. A lot of lightning and some hail and a great deal of wind, but nothing of the tornado genesis that we were looking for.
And I'm sure right now, obviously, we have Steve on a cell phone, so that's why we kind of hear some static and some other stuff going on. But I guess it's an interesting process for you. Have you been on storm chases like this before, or I guess they're searching for storms?
I have chased a few storms in my career as a newspaper photographer, but I've only seen one actual tornado. It was hard to distinguish. It was just a column of leaves in front of me about a block away, twirling around in a circle. So this will be a real experience for me too.
Yeah, definitely. Now tell me what you said earlier when I talked to you that you guys are kind of on standby. You're waiting for some storms to maybe start?
Storms only develop and finish with about an hour or 2 hour period. They could be anywhere in this area. So the scientists are looking at computers, radar signals and simulations, and checking the atmosphere, trying to find out where the thunderstorm will develop and might tornado. Right now we're in an area where it's probable they will form, but they have to find a specific place. So they have the crew staged in one area, actually in the parking lot of a high school football stadium, drawing quite a bit of attention from the local people too. They're waiting for the go sign, which probably will be in the next 5 or 10 minutes.
I bet. How exciting. I bet they are ready to use that equipment because, you know, tell us once again briefly, VORTEX2, it's completely different from what they've used in the past. Is that right?
Well, the equipment is much more sophisticated. Some of the VORTEX1 equipment they used in the past was similar to a rain bucket and a car with a windmill. But they have equipment here that'll measure raindrops. They've got equipment that uses sonic measurement for wind speed. They have Doppler radar. I think they have 4 that I can see right now, and there are others that are scheduled to be here. They have a total of 10 radars coming.
Wow. Well, how exciting. Steve, thank you so much, and keep up the good work. I know that you are probably having a good time, but you're obviously working really hard out there as well. And we will keep you updated here on News OK throughout the week about VORTEX2 and what's going on with the research behind storms.